Hello and welcome back to Logiclump Technologies. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most innovative and groundbreaking technologies of our time, blockchain. So, let's dive in and explore what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's so important. First things first, what exactly is blockchain? Well, blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is decentralized, secure, and transparent. It's a distributed database that contains a continuously growing list of records, called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. Blockchain works by using a consensus algorithm to validate transactions and add them to the ledger. Each node in the network maintains a copy of the ledger, and all transactions are broadcast to all nodes. Once a transaction is verified and added to a block, it becomes immutable and cannot be altered or deleted. Blockchain is important because it offers a number of benefits over traditional systems. For one, it's more secure because it's decentralized and uses cryptography to secure transactions. It's also more transparent because all transactions are visible to anyone in the network. Finally, it offers greater efficiency because it eliminates the need for intermediaries and allows for instant settlement of transactions. Blockchain has a wide range of applications, from financial services to supply chain management. In the financial industry, blockchain is being used to create secure and transparent payment systems, while in supply chain management, it's being used to create more efficient and transparent supply chains. So, that's blockchain in a nutshell. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries. If you're interested in learning more about blockchain, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on this and other exciting topics. Thanks for watching.